Ladies and gentlemen, history is being made. History is what we take out of it. 10 grand years of existence, a lot more to go. That's the team of Bangalore Apartment Federation. Can we have a huge round of applause? We just about ushered this evening, and what a great way to start it with the lamp lighting. Thank you, members of BAF. Thank you for your support. Thank you for being there for us. Here's to years to come. Continue with your good work. Thank you. All right, moving forward. It's a great moment of honor for all of us. May I request you all to stand up as we stand in the honor of our great nation for our national anthem. Can I request you all to stand up, please?
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Beautiful. Nostalgic to say the least. Every time I listen to it, I come from an army school, so definitely a trickle down there. All right, moving forward, as with any event, the first thing we do is to fold our hands, propitiate to God, and seek the divine intervention and blessings of higher power. I have with me Bhavana, Vijendra, Ajit Karnad, Rama Somashekar, and Vaibhavi Jagirdar. They're going to hear, they are starting with an invocation song where we seek divine intervention. I'm going to hand over the mic to you and listen to the beautiful recital. Thank you so much, ladies. That was a lovely recital. All right. Now, before we move ahead, I have a very small announcement and a very small request to make. All right? It takes a lot of effort to come on the stage and perform. Correct? It takes a lot of effort to stand out here and perform in front of the audience and be liked and appreciated for what they are doing out here. So the least we can do collectively is to cheer for them. Correct? So all I request you for this evening is anyone and everyone who comes and performs on this stage, you're going to make this place echo, reverberate with sound. Can you do that for me? Awesome. We all had our food. I'm at least up with energy, and I'm assuming the same for all of you as well. We need to make as much sound as possible so that the person who's standing out here feels 2 times more energized to perform. Alright? Now with this, I bring on the stage the Wizard of Words. We all been looking forward to take this evening forward with an anchor who's got this amazing reputation. She's a dynamo of energy, she's vivacious. She's hosted ICC Men's World Cup, ICC Women's Premier League. She's been with IPL every now and then. She's got brands like Lamborghini, Apple and Google on her calling list. I won't say much, for she's here to perform and take us through this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Sneha Maheshwari. Namma Hurgi, Sneha Maheshwari for you this evening.
Thank you, Deepak. Namaskara Tamilarigu. Namaskaram, Namaste, Adab, Sat Sri Akal, Vanakkam, good afternoon, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is 10 years that we are celebrating. We've all gathered here today to celebrate 10 years of our glorious past, our present with panache, and a fantastic future that awaits us all. Ladies and gentlemen, we've gathered here today for one reason and one reason alone. That is celebration, and some more celebration. Like Deepak said, it takes a lot to get up here and perform. So here's what I want all of you all to be doing today. We'll take a moment or two before we get started to make sure you're here with us, not just physically, but mentally, emotionally, every possible way that you can possibly be. Everybody present here, raise your left hands up, please. Raise your left hands up. Beautiful. Cameraman, turn around. That's the moment you have to capture. Raise your right hands up as well. Shake them up a little bit. Now these are called silent claps. This is something we don't want to do today. We don't want to be silent today. Okay, now everybody make a circle from your left hand, index finger forward, draw a circle in the air. Draw a circle in the air. This is just a little mind puzzle for all of you all. So you too, draw a circle in the air. So far so good? Easy? You have to speak up with me. Easy? Okay, now take the other hand out. Draw a triangle. Draw a triangle. Easy? Yes? Okay, now do it together. Circle from one hand, triangle from another, simultaneously. I like how the gentleman is just going like this with both the hands. But okay, circle from one hand, triangle from another. Anybody who can do this, I have a special prize for you. Deepak, did you get it yet? You're just drawing 2 circles in the air. Anybody who got it, anybody who gets it. Circle from one hand, okay, let's do something easy. Raise your left hands up again. Raise your right hands up again. Make them face each other. And join them together with a loud sound, welcoming each and every single one of you to BAF Apartment Hubba 2024. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, today is going to be a long day filled with performances. These kids that you see here have been practicing for weeks together, maybe months, to come for this one moment, their performance. Now, with every single performance that happens on stage, what are we going to do? You're wonderful. You already got the gist. Let's get started. Today, like we said, we have quite a few things that we have planned for you. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a few performances. With every single performance, we have, of course, the judges, the jury, who's going to mark and rate the performances as a part of the competition. But because it's 10 years, now one different Maranatha we thought about. So here's what we've done. We've also introduced a brand new category this year, and that is called People's Choice Awards. That's true. Each and every single one of you get to have a say, support your apartment kids, support the talent that comes on stage, and here's how you're going to do this. The agenda is in front of you. We have dances, we have musical performances, we have special performances. Of course, we'll have the results coming in, and a very, very special performance by world famous in Namma Bengaluru, Kaustav Songman, who's going to come in with his Bollywood and a lot of masti that we have planned for you here today. And we end today with a grand lucky draw competition. Now, Deepak has been saying this over and over again. I hope you've registered yourselves. You've taken those lucky draw coupons. You have them with you handy throughout the day. Now, let's go on to the next part where we show them how they are going to participate in the People's Choice Awards. With every single performance on the side screens, you'll be able to see these QR codes there. Now, I'll take a moment to ask you all to take out your mobile phones and scan the QR code, please. Everybody present here, take out your mobile phones. This is just a demo. This won't take you anywhere specifically. Just a demo. Take out your mobile phones. See if you can scan it already. Once you've scanned it, you get somewhere, you tell me. Is it scannable? You all can scan it? Yes? If yes, give me a thumbs up, please. I want to see the thumbs up in the air. Okay? Alright. 40% of you have scanned it so far. The idea is with every single performance, you'll have a scanner on the side, and we want you to participate in this. We want you to vote for your favorite talent up here on stage.